Hello. Yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I got this package. There's probably a little bit of nail stuff in here. I believe this is from Shein because that's the only other thing I was waiting for, and I figured I'm going to do it on camera. So here we go. So here's my Shein haul. I think I have some clothing in there. I don't remember what I ordered. I just remember I ordered a little bit of nail stuff, but nothing fun. You know, I don't know. Well, let's find out, shall we? So I'm just going to open it right here in the middle. I don't know. Random Shein haul. Let's do this. Okay, yep, it's definitely Shein. So I got some clothing type items. Ooh, I ordered pants. Hey. Okay, so let's get to that last. Put that aside. Nail clippies. I thought I ordered more than... Oh, there it is. That's cute. Okay. So I have this. Oh, perfect. So this, I got this little tool. So I have something easy to put in these gel containers to scoop it out to use. And it's made for that. And it's cute. So that is what this is. So you'll see these in future videos because there's a little scoop. Look at that. So there's a little scoop on this side. So I can get it for gems and stuff too. Isn't that cute? So that's cute. So that is going into my thing. I got a couple of these nail clips. Now, these are prizes for my Color Street VIP page I have on Facebook. So, yeah, I figured these come in handy. I have a set, and it's just a nice clip that you can put a cotton ball on your nail and then clip it to your nail. So hold the cotton ball there. So see. And then you can hold the cotton ball there and let it soak off, especially if you have like glitter nails, or even if you're going to use acetone and gel and you don't want to soak your whole hand. So you can do, you know, soak your gel nail polish off with these clips. So these are, I got 4 of them off of Shein, super cheap, and they're going to go in my prize bucket for my Facebook Color Street VIP page. So that's what that is. I got pants. I'm going to have to zoom out or something. Let's see. Everything comes in a bag. So look at that. Jeans. The color's not too bad. It's like really blue. But not bad, not bad. Oh, stretchy. So that's a plus. Let's see if they fit. A size large. But just normal, tapered leg. Just basic jeans. Looks like it's a good height, like the mom jean size. So, hey, not bad. I'll have to see about how they fit. What is this? What is this? Another pair of pants. These look fun for work. So, oh, maybe I'll wear these tomorrow to work. So just nice straight leg. It's like those fun leather looking leggings that are obviously not leather looking. But they look so cute. Some of my coworkers have, and they look cute. So, these are nice, and I like that it has a zipper, so it's just like a regular pant. I love the side zip, the nice slim fitted pant. So, yep. So I got that. One more. I know it's like I'm not used to clothes on camera. Can you tell? And what is the last item? Okay, I need to not get pants like this, but the material is kind of funky. I mean, they were, you know, like that polyester feel. So I don't like the feel of this, but they're great pants just to have for work. Nice and lightweight. Not big. I don't care for the boot cut anymore. So that looks slim enough for flats. And it has a normal zipper. Large. So yep, that's it. So that was my quick little haul. A couple pairs of pants. These clippies. And this fun little thing. Like it. So that's it. It's just a super quick video. Just a little haul. It is Friday the 13th when I'm filming this. And I think I'm going to go watch Friday the 13th. On Friday the 13th. What else am I going to do? I love horror movies and I haven't done that in a while. Because I usually film and edit all night after I get home from work. And you know what? I thought I'd do just a quick little haul video. Haven't done a haul in a while. And that's it. That was my Shein haul. So thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Give me a nice like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.